So I would start with this is my first course with Middle Earth. So I would actually go back and say from the time that I reached out to Middle Earth and the way you guided me on what's the right course that fits for me. I was not very sure about that. So I do not regret that at all now, because at the beginning of the course also I had mentioned that I had the practical knowledge of it, but the theory bit of it and how I can apply it into the current organization. So during the course of this whole 4 weeks, I have been able to think and put it into practice already in the organization, and that's really helped. I have a big thanks and appreciation to Mrinalini. She has been very supportive in whatever questions, support, doubts that whenever I've reached out, the response time and all of that. And it's very hard to find that in a training background, someone. So you have a great team working with you, sir. Coming to the actual 4 weeks when we had the trainings, like everybody else, the breakout rooms were quite educative for me too. So many different people from different, sectors. I currently working in an NGO sector, but to pick up and reconnect with what I used to do earlier. It was like a full refreshing of my memory, and it was it kept me on my toes, and I really like that. And I think, like I mentioned, I have never had a certifications or courses or nothing. Whatever I had done is on the job. So I was quite nervous before starting this course, whether I will be able to do, like you mentioned, me submitting the projects on time. The biggest fear I had was, will I be able to do that? So yes, I have proven to myself that I'm capable. So the doubt that I had about my capability, this course has helped me a lot. Yeah.